There's no hallways or crawl spaces or basements to pull wire, so everything had to be done outside. Today we're standing in Madison Woods apartment complex. This is our latest completed larger job. There's a lot of work going on in this place. You might hear some of that. But we wanted to talk to you a little about this project and what it entailed. This complex is built as a townhome. There's no hallways or crawl spaces or basements to pull wire, so everything had to be done outside. It asked for about 500 to 700 feet of trenching, burial cable. It asked for some wireless bridges to be put up to connect some of these different sections. A lot of the wiring was done inside the siding. It was an interesting project. I'm not gonna lie, it was one of our favorites, one of my favorites. It was all outdoors. We had beautiful weather. We got to enjoy that aspect of it as well. The customer's very happy. We used some night vision, 4K, 20 frame per second cameras on the most of the parts of this place. All the AI features that the customer is gonna need. Face detection, motion detection. We also used some panoramic wide angle cameras. We call them 180s to capture a lot of the bigger parking lots. There's about 2 parking lots that are really, really big, and that did a very fantastic job of covering that. Danny, our lead technician, is gonna talk to you a little more details about what we did, but this was a fun project.
So we used burial cable on our longest runs. Essentially what we did was bury the cable, obviously, and then we transitioned on over to the siding. What we did was once we brought it out of the ground, we had junction boxes, which we added a coupler and transitioned the burial cable into Ethernet cable, regular Ethernet cable. From that point, then we made our run over onto the location where the camera was going to be set. We set it all up, installed, and then that was completely done. Another thing that we also used were wireless bridges. There were some areas where we weren't able to bury or run wire alongside or through the siding. Therefore, we used wireless bridges, which allowed us to make that connection from one point to another point without the need of having to run cable. So essentially we just ran the cable up to that point where the first wireless bridge was going to be mounted. That transmitted the signal over to the other wireless bridge, which would then take that information and bring it on over to the run that we could continue on to the cameras and or the switches. So this job took about 3 weeks for us to complete. That included planning, running the wires, mounting the cameras, and also training the staff how to work the camera system.
There you have it. If this is something that you need, if you have a project this size and you would like somebody to come through, walk through, give you a quote, give us a call. Our number is 262-475-2615. You could reach us through our socials. You could visit our website, redbirdit.net. Don't forget that if you like this content, like and subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.